You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce correctly once and for all this name of Welsh origin. I mean, it comes from Old French and Old German, but it's the Welsh form of the name, spelled as H-U-G-H, or Hug in French, meaning soul or mind. The Welsh pronunciation is as Huw. Yes, there is some websites online that says Huw, but no, Huw is the correct pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.